Hi! In front of me is on our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on Google section. Following that, select Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. In my case, my Call of Duty one. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button located next to the Delete one, and make all changes you want. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner to save those changes. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!